What is up, guys? Tim here, OldNo.7 Garage. And on today's episode, we're getting right back into the race car. Today we're going to address a couple small problems. We've got a header that's smashed half in two, and we've also got some safety to address. So stay tuned, OldNo.7 Garage coming at you. Here we go! Alright, another piece to the puzzle. This is the left side header. As you can see, got ripped and smashed, and it's smashed all over the place. So anyway, it comes apart right there by Brian's hand. Comes apart right there, and then we slide a new one on. I've just got to bolt it on, and we put the muffler on the end of it. But like I said, just another piece to the puzzle. Our new header piece hits on this bar right here. So somehow we gotta manipulate that and get it out this way a little bit more so it'll fit. We can't bend the new piece, it's too thick, it'll flatten out. So, grab you a good handful. And something cracked. Don't try this at home. I felt it go like twice in our pulling there. We're gonna be pretty much pros at getting this off and on. Be like a NASCAR pit stop. Talk to them old boys down there. They can do it. So it's working. It's exactly where it needs to be right now. I got it!
What'd you get?
This dadgum.
Oh, you got that in?
No, not that we got it. We got it to fit. It was bad shape.
All right, this is a used one. The only thing we got, I got to smack a little bit here with silicone or good.
What are you putting in there?
Putting in a cam plug that somebody forgot.
Oh, who was that?
I don't remember.
Everybody?
It was somebody.
I think it was everybody.
I think it was.
You like that truck?
No, I like this truck.
Whose truck is that? Papa's truck? Got the header all on here. Now you see I got my marks. We've got this piece here which is going to turn down on it. And it's going to go up there right where them marks are. And set just like that. And it's got a couple war wounds from previous experiences, but we're going to get that cleaned up and we're going to get it tack welded on there.
That'll work for what we got.
Good. All right, after some cutting and welding and bracketry, we got her on there. Oh, there he goes.
Did Lucky push me off up here?
Yeah, he did. Our next project is a plate right here, which would keep cars from coming through with their bumpers or anything sharp through that door and getting into the driver. And you can see right here, I almost had that happen once. So we've got these tabs made into the roll cage. There's 4 of them. And we've already laid out the template over here on a piece of 16th inch steel plate, and we're going to cut it out. Alright, so we got a little piece we got to add here because nobody's perfect, okay? Nobody. Alright, it's late. We're going to call it a night. But we did fart a little bit. But we did better out than in, I always say. What do you say? That motor didn't make that noise. You did. we did get our plate done. But that right there will keep, hopefully, most of the stuff out of the car with the driver. All right, guys, I'm gonna say thank you very much for watching this short but sweet episode. Just showing you a couple of the small things we do here in the shop. With that being said, we want to invite you to like our videos, helps us out, and consider subscribing. That's easy for me to say. Consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that little bell, that'll notify you whenever we're putting videos up. I'm gonna try to put out at least one a week so we can get some stuff going. I got tons of content I gotta get out. All right, guys, stay tuned for the next episode. We'll be back on the race car, getting some more stuff done. Thanks, and we love you. Bye.